Say love. They say I only rap about getting dollars. I don't see the problem. Pardon me, I thought niggas wanted out of poverty. Is it just me? If so, let me not stand in the way of your broke ass destiny. It's
big dog status, Bill Harbor. A ball in his mouth for my brothers. Gold yard bag, tote the cutter. I got it out the field, fuck Russell. Going as L'Oreal about the paddock, then going as Jordan as dead.
New Lamborghini, the doze off. Fell asleep in the bikini, the doze off. Get it? My diamonds and stones water. ITD like Coach Carter. Ain't talking about no damn soda. White girl with me want some products. I pull it on.
If you know me, you know I love to switch in my grips every time I switch the look of the bike. If you need you a set, get them from my man Aaron at Full Gas Products. He just another racer out here trying to make it. Just another squirrel trying to get a nut. You feel me? Peace.